Good morning, students. As I told you to learn the chapter number 6 and 7. Based on the chapter on this 6 and 7, I am providing you this revision test questions. You will be sincere to this and sincerely solve all questions by yourself. Don't do cheating. So in this, the first one, it is the fill in the blanks. First one, to create computer dash, we need to think logically. अगर क्रिएट करना चाहते हैं कंप्यूटर व्हाट, क्या क्रिएट करते हैं हम लोग, एंड वी हैव फॉर दैट वी हैव टू थिंक लॉजिकली. क्या क्रिएट करने के लिए हम लोगों को लॉजिकली थिंक करना पड़ता है. सेकेंड, इट इज मिसाइल रीलोड टाइम कैन बी चेंज्ड बाय गोइंग टू डैश मेनू. मिसाइल को रीलोड करने का जो टाइम होता है उसे हम चेंज कर सकते हैं बाय विच मेनू. यू हैव टू मेंशन इट हियर. Next comes the by default a newly created folder name is new dash. By default यानी पहले से ही अगर हम लोग कोई न्यू बनाते हैं फोल्डर, by what name it is, किस नाम से आता है, that you have to mention it here in this blank. Next comes the AVI is a/n- file. AVI ये किस टाइप का फाइल है, लाइक वी आर टेलिंग अबाउट द JPG, दैट इज द इमेज फाइल इन दिस वे. AVI is which type of file, you have to mention it here in this blank. Next comes the true and false. What you have to do here, if this statement is true or if it is correct, then you have to write T, and if this statement is wrong and it is not right, then you have to, for the false, you will be writing F. First one in this true and false is a collection of related files cannot be stored in a common folder. बहुत सारी अगर फाइल्स हैं that cannot be stored in a common or the single folder. It is true or false. You will mention it here in this box. Second, it is coming here, navigation pan shows the content of the selected folder. जो navigation pan है, it is showing all the contents of the selected folder whichever you have selected the folder. Is it true or not? You will mention it here. Third, it is asking Coder programs work in a simple pattern of when then. The program's name it is Kodu. It is working in a simple pattern, that is when and then. Is it true or not? You will mention in this box. Fourth, it is asking characters are added in the world using colors tool. The characters which are added there in the world is being added using the colors tool. Is it true or false? You will mention it here. Next comes the jumbled words. You have to rearrange these words and make a meaningful word here. In this, the first one it is ERTPATN. You have to arrange this first of all, and you have to make a meaningful word here with this letters. Next, it is asking PDEELY. What is that word? Meaningful word. You will make it here and you will write it down here. Next, it is asking RTERAIN. Here you will mentioning it, the word, the meaningful word here. Next, it is fourth one, OTOL. For this also you will arrange this and you will write it down here. Next, it is answer the following questions. You have to write these answers for these questions. First one, it is define Kodu. You have to write what it is meant by Kodu and for what purpose we are using this Kodu program. Next, it is what is a subfolder. In file chapter, you all have studied about the file folder. As you all know, folder, it is the color of the folder, it is yellow. And what is subfolder? It is asking about the subfolder, not about the folder. Third, it is what do you mean by terrain in Kodu? आपको बताना है what is the meaning of terrain in Kodu. terrain का मतलब क्या होता है. As I have told you all, various parts are there in Kodu, like the camera tool, object tool, and the same it is one of the part of the Kodu game, that is the terrain. You have to mention what is the meaning of this terrain and what is the purpose of this terrain in the Kodu. So what you have to do is you will learn this chapter, both the chapters, and you will attempt this all the questions of this revision test. Now that's all for today. Thank you.